Turn your flash on. Why is it
Look at the tires.
Very tight.
Like a tank.
How do you open the door? Wow, how did you know that?
Whoa.
That's the part that didn't do
Look at this, Saba.
Light show?
Yeah.
Light show?
Do a light show. You gotta get out, he's doing a light show.
What do you mean?
Come get out, he'll show you.
How do you?
Whoa.
Oh, that's cool. You gotta click a button to unlock it.
Already he's doing a light
Oh, my head.
Whoa.
Up here.
Yeah,
Ding dong, ding dong.
let's watch.
electric.
I don't see anything.
What do you see?
All I
So
see
those
is
He's doing a
test
light
white.
show.
putting the finger in the trunk door. You see that?
I will see
there
the
you go.
light show.
I don't get
Okay.
it. It's just
See it, get prepared.
Oh my God,
Does it play music?
it's a real show.
It does play
Look
music.
at the light.
Whoa.
It does play music.
Oh, look at this.
Sound like the adventure things at Six Flags.
That's as much.
Step back a bit.
Yeah, you should do this at night.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
The mirrors, the windows. Okay.
My God.
So how much is this thing?
Too much.
Too much. But do you enjoy it?
It gets him the,
How do you charge this?
Oh, look at the windows. Look at the windows.
Yeah, let's see.
oh look.
Wow.
It's a funk.
Oh my God.
How'd you get this
It's a
color?
front.
Can you believe this?
And then you're not gonna get out of here because the battery will be dead.
Nah, not probably.
300.
Nice gig. Send me the video. Send to Abba.
Wow. It's the not like
Amazing.
Show you the truck, the bed.
Amazing.
yeah, the
amazing.
bed. Look at the bed. Yeah,
See how
probably,
big it is.
This is so cool.
Listen, in Puerto Rico, you ride this thing, you get a
Can
lot
I
of
open this? Can I open it?
put an advertisement.
Oh, even here you can't miss it.
Yeah, here too.
Push this button.
Gosh.
Okay, now push this.
Wow.
Yo, who game is this?
One long button.
Wow, yeah.
Oh my God. Look at
Can I
this.
get in it?
Trunk, alright?
So I'm going to show you something here. יש לך פה עוד room.
How do I get in? Do I just
Here
climb
you
on
can
this?
connect the house to the electricity.
Ah, to the... Okay. That's easy.
Jump.
Suddenly you feel bad, you feel down. I thought you were sick.
I am.
He feels good.
Very fast recovery.
Oh, he else in the
Just give him an
Cybertruck.
electrical
What?
car, he's on.
Close this.
No, I can close this too.
Oh, that one.
Yes, close it. Chop him.
Oh, put your head up.
Cyberman. Oh, it's new. You,
Wow.
you don't have a license plate yet.
No, yeah, because I got the Cyberman.
Oh, you got the Cyberman?
Because I'm one of the first, so nobody catch it before me.
There's no.
You know, it's good for business in terms of the advertising.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
everybody
but
looks at
people
it.
look.
Yeah,
Do you
absolutely.
get ever phone calls from the truck?
Yeah, but I got also bad reviews.
What
I'm
happened?
jealousing people. Somebody drove by my house, take a photo of it in my driveway, and said if your roofer can afford a Cybertruck,
Ah, yeah.
Ah, really?
take somebody else. One time we knocked doors and somebody said, why do you have the expensive truck of Tesla? You don't need our business.